Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. You can share screen on Google Meet. So there's a step-by-step guide. Make sure you will have logged in the Google Meet, and after you will be just tap this blue icon where you can see the new meeting. Just tap. You can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So I will just tap on this plus icon, start an instant meeting. Just tap. After you will be see this loading page, and after, so right now, as you can see, there is an option in the bottom center, the laptop icon. This is called the share screen. So just tap, and from here you will be just selected from the Google Chrome tab or window or entire screen. So just one click and take the share. So right now you will be share your screen. So that's it. Thank you.